Okay, so we're gonna give this a full charge. Okay, these are the tools we're gonna use. Added in this one. Might not have to use all of them, but we will utilize these if we need to. Okay, I forgot to do this last time, but right now we're just gonna show you that this is exactly the same car from yesterday. I did not touch it again, just to keep everything consistent. Yeah, everything you see here is what was left behind from the first passes of the Dyson vacuum. So we're gonna try to get the rest of this dirt out. Yep. Okay, the dustbin has been emptied. I'm going to switch it to boost mode, okay? I think it's only supposed to run for a few minutes, so we'll see how far we can get on a full charge of battery. It should just be a couple minutes, but let's see if this could finish up what was left over from yesterday. So when you put the brush roller head, it actually increases from 8 minutes to 12 minutes. So that's kind of hilarious. Okay, we are done. Yep, there's no more battery. That was about 8 minutes using the small attachments. We couldn't get into these spots, so that doesn't really count. I mean, for the most part, I got pretty much everything. Here's the back seat. So as you can see, we still got some stuff in the corners. This stuff isn't going to come out. You're going to have to use a stiffer brush, probably do it by hand. I mean, I expected that there's going to be some limitations, but oh no, it's not that bad. Especially considering what it was before. So it definitely got everything out of these little crevices here. I would say that I did the best job on the trunk, but to be fair, there's not as much stuff. It's not as much dirt here, not as much nook and crannies for things to get stuck. Yeah, some of these wood chips, wood fibers, they're not coming out. You're gonna have to manually use a brush on those. probably have to do some scrubbing. Finally, this is the front driver's seat, the most dirty part in the car. Got most of the stuff under here, but again, could use some touch up. You just really can't fit in that area. You know, you have to use a toothbrush. But honestly, I would probably just stick with the auto eco mode. I was able to make a single pass through the entire car yesterday, whereas today it didn't even last like 10 minutes or so before the battery is drained. How much more stuff did we get? Not that much. They did a pretty good job on the first pass. Mostly just little pebbles and rocks.